Alright, yo, Daily Driven G's. I'm back here. This is part 2 with the exhaust video. So when I had got the full catback, as you can see, the wire pipe was incorrect. It didn't fit for some reason. So I had to order feel me? I took the stock one out just now. Right now I'm just sanding down my cats, making sure I get a nice clean seal with the gasket. So we finish sanding and I'm put the wire pipe up. Now I'm gonna cut it on and see how it sounds. Alright, yo. Finally, like after 2 hours of fucking around with this shit. Finally got it. Wire pipe. The full catback. Alright. Let me just finish tightening up the little loose bolts and I'm gonna bring her down and start her up. Alright, y'all, I just dropped her. Fingers crossed, let it be slang we hoping for. 1, 2, 3. How that shit sound? Sound right? Right. Yeah, she right, fellas. I ain't gonna lie. She right. I'm happy, y'all. Alright, let's let her warm up and I go for a nice little dig. Hey, yo, we in the G now. Let's put her in sport, see what she's sounding like. Damn, she's sounding right. I ain't gonna lie. Off the first, this little rev. She's sounding right, y'all. Sounding nice, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Turn some music up. But anyway, I'm about to go a nice little drive, test the gears out and everything, see how she running.